Parson says asking voters if recreational marijuana should be legal on the November ballot is a, quote, disaster.
Our Missouri Chief Capitol Bureau reporter Emily Manley shows us why the governor is criticizing the constitutional amendment.
In 10 weeks, Missouri voters get to decide if marijuana should be legal to buy, use, and even grow for anyone 21 and older. The referendum also asks if previous nonviolent offenses should be erased.
I think that thing's a disaster.
In November, Missouri could join 19 other states in legalizing recreational marijuana.
The governor is certainly entitled to his opinion on this subject, but this is a criminal justice reform that is long overdue in the state.
With a 6% sales tax, it's estimated to bring in $40 million for the state and roughly $14 million for local governments.
And at the state level, those are going to be dedicated to vital government services such as drug abuse prevention programs, veterans health care services, and our badly underfunded public defender system.
John Payne is with Legal Missouri 22. He says the campaign collected 400,000 signatures to put the question on the ballot. If approved, it would amend the state's constitution.
There's some drawbacks to putting it in the Constitution because it is more inflexible. But if it has to get done, and we're afraid that the legislature isn't to be trusted on it, that's the route we have to go.
It would allow those 21 and older to possess up to 3 ounces of marijuana and have up to 6 flowering plants. It also would expunge nonviolent offenses.
We think the expungement element is one of the most critical parts of this because there are tens of thousands, probably hundreds of thousands of Missourians who are walking around with either a conviction on their record or maybe just an arrest.
But Governor Mike Parson thinks otherwise. He says the referendum is not a good way to do business.
I think even people that support that issue will probably be hesitant when it comes to this, but I think that thing could be a real trap.
There also would be no maximum limit when it comes to the number of licenses to sell marijuana, but they would have to be equally distributed among the state's 8 congressional districts. You might remember that back in 2018, Missouri voters approved medical marijuana. The election is November 8th. Reporting from Missouri Capitol Bureau, I'm Emily Manley.